Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you on how you can remove Gmail calendar from your iPhone. So to get started, first of all go ahead and open up your settings. And once you're on your settings application, you can just scroll all the way down and here you can see the option mail. Go ahead and tap on it. And in here you can also see the accounts. Tap on it. And in here you can see many different options. Go ahead and tap on it. And here you can see your calendar is synced with Gmail. You can just disable the calendar just by tapping on it. So if you want to confirm it, you can just tap on delete my iPhone and it will remove Gmail calendar from your iPhone. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.